Hey everybody, I'm here today with a Mazda 3 key fob tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to use it. Let's get right into the tutorial. So first and foremost, this is the type of Mazda 3 that I'm talking about, and this is the type of key fob that it comes with. But even if you have older Mazda 3s or newer Mazda 3s, it's going to be very, very similar. Alright, so the first thing is that the key actually swings out like this. So you can push that button down to swing it out and hold this little button in and swing it down to click it in place, which is convenient. You can use it like this when you're driving and like this when it's in your pocket. So it takes up a little bit less space and it's easier to use. So that's the actual key. Now the buttons on the key fob. All right, so you essentially have 4 buttons on the key fob, okay? You have a lock button. I know it's hard to see because this one is a little bit faded. You have an unlock button. You have a trunk button. And then you have a panic button. And I'll go through each of those individually. First and foremost, the lock button. If you push it once, it's going to lock the doors. And if you push it a second time, it will beep to let you know with the audio sound that it locked the doors. So, you know, just once locks the doors, and the second time will, once again, it locks the doors again. They were already locked to begin with, but it beeps so that you know that it's locked, okay? Now, the second button is the unlock button, which is also pretty straightforward, but there's a little something that you should know about it. So if you push the unlock button once, it will only unlock the driver's side door. If I go to the passenger side and I try and open it, it's still locked, but the driver's side is unlocked. But if I push it a second time now, it will have unlocked. Well, sorry, you have to push it twice quickly. So, you know, once, second time, okay? Pushed it twice quickly, now it unlocks the passenger door. So check this out. We'll lock the doors, okay? Now, once is just the driver's side, and then the second time, if it's done quickly enough, is the passenger side. Okay, so that's how to unlock. Okay, now I'm going to lock the doors once again. Remember, you only have to push it once, and the doors will be locked. The only difference is that if you push it the second time, it's going to make that beeping sound. So the third button that I want to outline is the trunk release button, which is right over here. Like I said, it's a bit faded, but you press and hold it down, and there usually would be a word that says hold right there, so you would know, but you push and hold it down, watch the trunk, and it just popped open. So now, as you can see, the trunk is open, just like that. I can go ahead and open it up, as you can see right there. I'm not actually going to go ahead and open it fully. I don't know what's in there, if there's anything that can't be on camera in there. I'm not sure what my wife put in there, so I have to just double check. I don't know if there's any information or any mail or anything like that. But the trunk, as you can see, my hand is going completely in it, is indeed open. And I'm going to just close it, just like that. Okay, once again, lock it. And then the last button, which is the red one right here, and it's not faded because we've never really had to use this button, but essentially it's the, what I like to call the panic alarm button. Some people will use this to locate their car, but this really is intended to be a panic alarm in case of an emergency. What you want to do is you want to essentially push and hold it down, that red button, and it's going to let off a loud horn continually. And when you want to shut it off, you want to push the lock button. So what I will do is I'm going to do it just very briefly. I'm going to set off the panic alarm very briefly, and then I'm going to lock it to stop it. So you'll be able to hear what it sounds like, okay? So let's do it. One more time. Okay, there we go. So as you heard, it beeped continually, and it would have kept going on and on until I pushed the lock button. I believe there's a timer that after a certain amount of time it would stop. But that's essentially it. Those are the buttons on the Mazda 3 key fob and the key and how to use it. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but if you just got a Mazda 3, if you want to sort of know how to use the key fob properly and what all the buttons do and stuff, then hopefully this video helped you. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.